My butter chicken versus my wife's butter chicken? Which one is better? We're gonna start with my butter chicken. Obviously, this one's gonna be amazing. And you can't have butter chicken without naan. Otherwise, it's just nonsense. Wow, that is amazing. Oh, that looks beautiful. I could eat this every day. Woo! It's spicy, it's flavorful, it's delicious. What more can you ask for? Next up, we have my wife's butter chicken. By the way, this is her first time making butter chicken ever. So my hopes are okay. I mean, I've been cooking butter chicken since I was 5. There goes nothing. I mean, it looks pretty good. Hopefully it tastes good too. Holy crap! That is so good. Not even my mother can make butter chicken this good. I'm in heaven. My wife wins. How'd you even make this? KFI butter chicken? Maybe I should try this too. Where'd you get it?
Walmart.
Oh, wow.